Hi guys, it's Jeb here. Welcome to another daily vlog. It's now night time for me, but it's morning for you, probably. And so today I will be narrating this video for you. I've got home off my holiday. My heart. Right, so first of all in the day, we went down to the lake. Hi guys, it's Jeb here. Sorry, I've got sweets in my mouth. Today we are doing our 6th or 7th daily vlog. I think it's our 6th. We've nearly done a week. And we are still at the lake. We've been here all night, haven't we? Yo. We camped. No, we didn't. We slept in our house. We're going home today. We might be going to Scarborough. I can't be bothered to turn my camera around, so I'm just doing this. Finn nearly fell in. And literally 5 minutes ago, we found this and it looks really cool. So we're going to chill here for a bit. Has it?
Yeah.
Where?
Look at this. It's the best thing ever. A tree swing.
I'll laugh if it snapped off.
Whee!
I don't want to drop my camera. Oh!
Is this your real video?
What?
Is this your real video?
Yeah. To the top of the tree. Still, we can go all the way up here, but there's just this. And I don't think I'll be able to get down.
Oh.
Finn. Maybe we'll go to Scarborough. Maybe we will. Stoning. Whoa. If you heard that, you couldn't see it because of this freaking tree. Ah! Finn. Ah! I stood on a thistle. Ow.
Wow. I'm on YouTube.
Whoa. Yoink.
Are you pretty real this time?
Yeah.
So it's shining onto my belly.
No, really bully. Stop. I don't know where to stand. I'll go this way.
Yeah, that
Oh, made it.
one. Wow!
Wow.
I just got stung. Are people getting stung although it isn't hurting that much?
Whoa, look at the trees. Wow. So nice Finn makes when he gets stung. Whoa. That looks... Oh, there's a crocodile.
Yeah!
There actually is. Right there, look. Can you see it though? I'm not even kidding. Finn is coming, it's coming. Go, quick. Finn, go. Finn, go, quick. Wait. Oh my god. You saw that good, yeah. You saw that stone go pricklumper, didn't you? You did. Then, guess what we found? You'll never guess. A waterfall! And a cat. It's really deep. Test it. Why do you want to go under a just little weird bridge like that?
Because you want it.
I didn't.
You're scared.
I'm not.
You're a bit scared.
Why would I be scared of going under a bridge?
Well, can we do it then?
No. I've got my camera. Let's do some jumping across over here. Whoa, there's loads of thistles. Whoa, that was a bad one. Sounded like a fart. That was the bad one. Jump over the thick bit. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Made it. Nearly fell in then. See if we can step across. Yep. Imagine jumping across. Whee! Jump! I'll laugh if you fell in. Ah! I actually fell in. Finn, remember that crocodile?
Yeah. It bit me, didn't it?
Yeah. He's got a massive kiss mark now. Look.
There. Or up there.
What? Right. Where shall I jump? Let's jump
This is so tricky.
over on to there. 3, 2, 1. Hey! I made it. Now let's jump all the way back. 3, 2, 1. Yoink! There we go. We made it. Let's do a longer jump now. 3, 2, 1. Made it. Let's actually go in the water. Oi! Yoink! If I fall over, I won't be uploading this.
Glory.
I hold my camera really hard. Throw it. Whoa! Oh, where'd it go? It's gone.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. Wow, ow, ow, ow.
I'm on a rock. Whoa! It's so deep. I'll have to climb up one hand. Whoa! Oh my god. Look how deep it is. It's up to my knees. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry. OMG! Woo! I nearly fell. Then move. I can't. Yeah. Oh! My foot went in the water. That was a bad idea. Oh. I climbed up. Oh my god. Alright. We're making a dam. Look at the difference. Oh my god. Finn, it's raining. We need to hurry up. It's raining. That's good. So it'll get higher and higher. Hopefully it rains a lot. We sort of stopped the waterfall a bit from falling down because we made a dam. So yeah, we stopped the waterfall. Hooray! Then we made a film. I'm not going to show it here. I'm just going to give a little sneak peek.
Get off my land.
Of course we did. Of course we had to go home because I'm here now. We had to say goodbye to everything. Say goodbye to the nice views. Say goodbye to the malls. Say goodbye to Houghton. Finally, goodbye to Elsie. Then we had dinner. I had a massive burger about as big as my hand. And that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it today. Hope you like it tomorrow. Hope you liked it yesterday. Peace out. Elsie, somebody farted. And remember, please like, subscribe. That'll help me out a lot. Better savage than sorry. Hey.